Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable iCloud integration on the iPhone 17e. So an iCloud integration means that all of your devices can cooperate with each other using iCloud. So for example, you write something in the Notes app on your phone, and then that thing is going to be transported to your other device. For example, your MacBook or your iPad or even an Apple Watch. Everything Apple is going to work in the Apple ecosystem. So to enable this option, all you need to do is open up Settings and then scroll down to iCloud, tap on that, and then click on Save to iCloud. And here we have all of the apps that work with iCloud. So, for example, we have iCloud Photos, and if we tap on that, as you can see, Sync this iPhone isn't enabled. And we need that option enabled, so the photos will be transported to other devices or the cloud. Now, I don't have enough storage in my iCloud, so I can really enable this feature, but if you have enough storage, that feature can be enabled. And we have different apps like iCloud Drive, passwords and keychains, notes, all of these. And I suggest turning all of these on, so it makes your life much easier. And so the next thing that we have is the storage. So right now, basically you can use iCloud as a additional cloud storage. So you can send files from your device to the cloud to save up some space on your actual devices. Now, you do need a subscription if you want more than 5 gigabytes. So you have iCloud Plus, and there are different pricings for different amounts of storage. And once you buy that, you're going to have that storage immediately ready to use. And the next thing that is pretty important is the backups. So it's suggested to enable iCloud Backup to save all of your data from your iPhone to the cloud. So for example, something happens to your phone or you reset your phone, you will always have a backup from a few days in the past that you can upload to your new device. And that is pretty much it. This is how you enable iCloud integration. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.